welcome to my presentation. Thank you all for being here today. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is BurakKıran and my department is Public Relations and Advertising. The topic of my presentation today is types of communication. I'm going to talk about non-verbal and verbal communication. First of all, communication. What is communication? Communication is something that humans do every day. Communication, the word, comes from Latin language, communis, meaning share, includes verbal and non-verbal skills. Let me talk about the verbal communication. Verbal communication is the one way for people who want to communicate face-to-face. And some of the case of verbal communications are words, sounds, language, and speaking. Secondly, language is the most important thing for verbal communication, as you know. Imagine a world in which language didn't exist. It would be impossible to express our ideas and communicate with someone. Language also separates the human from animals. Thirdly, speaking. I want to talk about speaking. Speaking plays a significant role in our lives. How? When we communicate with someone, there can be many problems in understanding, and we can try to eliminate this misunderstanding throughout speaking. Sounds and emphasizes are another factors for speaking. Now I will move on to the second point, which is about the non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communications messages can be communicated with gesture and touch, by facial expressions and eye contact, or body language and posture. These are all considered by non-verbal communication. Speech contains non-verbal elements known as paralanguage, including voice, emphasis, or rates. Also, finally, behaviors of communicators are very important during interactions. This is my pleasure. Thank you for listening to me.